Have you ever wondered why we say bless you when someone sneezes? Let's dive into the surprising history. The phrase bless you dates back centuries. In ancient times, people believed sneezing could release the soul or attract evil spirits. Saying bless you was thought to protect the sneezer from harm. Fast forward to the 6th century, and during an outbreak of the bubonic plague, Pope Gregory XII encouraged people to say God bless you when someone sneezed as a prayer for health and protection. This tradition stuck around, even though today, it's more of a polite reflex than a spiritual safeguard. Fun fact, cultures around the world have their own unique responses to sneezing. So next time someone sneezes, remember, you're continuing a tradition that's hundreds of years old. Like and follow for more fun facts.